So we're just at the Bristow house, which is on Carragara Island, in the Bay Islands of Brisbane. This was built by Bristow, who's actually a designer, and he wanted to create the most cost-effective living space you possibly could. Now it's in quite a unique sort of location. It's actually backs down to the mangroves, which then go into the water, and it is a sloping site. So there are probably easier places to build a house. But what I like about this is it's got a good use of different materials, so a good combination that kind of creates some extra little features to the house. Nice little veranda at the front here. It is only a 1 bedroom, but it could easily be converted into 2 bedrooms. So nice big open plan living. Very functional kitchen. Great outlook. There's the main bedroom here. The bathroom here.